Understanding Scream Blue Murder, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have heard or read somewhere. Scream Blue Murder. It's a colorful expression, isn't it? In this video, we'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, if you're ready to add another interesting phrase to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Scream Blue Murder is a vivid idiom that means to loudly complain or protest about something in a very exaggerated or angry manner. When someone screams blue murder, they're not just a little upset. They're making sure everyone knows how unhappy or outraged they are. It's often used to describe situations where the reaction seems much stronger than what might be considered reasonable. The phrase, "Scream Blue Murder," has a rather murky history, with several theories about its origins. One popular theory is that it comes from a corruption or variation of the phrase, "Scream Bloody Murder," which has a similar meaning. Both phrases have been used in English-speaking countries for decades, and while bloody is more commonly heard in British English, blue murder has been noted in various English-speaking contexts. The blue in this expression doesn't have a clear explanation but adds a unique color to the phrase's intensity. To help you understand how to use "Scream Blue Murder" in real-life situations, let's look at a few examples. The toddler screamed blue murder when his ice cream fell on the ground. If they raise the taxes any higher, people are going to scream blue murder. She screamed blue murder when she saw the dent in her brand new car. Notice how the phrase can be applied to both serious and somewhat trivial situations, emphasizing the speaker's strong emotional response. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "Scream Blue Murder." It's a powerful expression that conveys intense emotion and protest, perfect for those moments when you want to describe an over-the-top reaction to something. We hope this video has been informative and added a colorful new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English, so don't hesitate to sprinkle them into your conversations where appropriate. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.